August 14th at 5:18 p.m. and at the top of McClellan Butte, all along up here. Incredible day. There's just some smog in the lowlands, but the view is pretty stellar, pretty epic today. Looking north there, you can see Baker, and of course Rainier is out. It's a tough one. It's just an annual climb for me in August. Try to hit this one every August. It's a good grit test. Over 3,000 foot ascent. Yeah, you can see the Olympics, just the top of the Olympics over the haze. Wow. See Bandera, and then True Summit, Bandera there. I was there a couple weeks ago, and then Mount Defiance. Awesome.